In lieu of our Curly Kids event going on tomorrow morning, I've decided to ask the team to share a story about growing up curly. So, enjoy.
Sunshine. That is the name I acquired in the late 90s, early 2000s as a curly kid whose parents did not know how to manage her hair. My mom always slicked back my hair into a high ponytail, put it in one braid every Sunday. And every Monday morning before I walk out of the house, she'd let me know, do not come in to the house with your braid undone. So by the time day 5 comes in for the rest of the school week, I would have a halo of frizz. So it's not slick and smooth like day 1, a big halo of frizz. And yeah, that's when I acquired the nickname Sunshine, and I hated it so much. But now that I am an adult and embracing my curls and my frizz, I'll be more than happy to be dubbed the Sunshine.
So, fun fact about me is I grew up with straight hair, and I had stick straight hair my whole life. I did get perms from the age of 10 to about 15, and so I was pretty well versed with a hair pick and gel. Wasn't really great gel or products that were available in the 80s, but I did manage to make it work, and I had some big full hair, and now I just have it as an adult.
Didn't condition it. Well, I did a bit. I didn't cleanse it. I didn't do anything in particular. I just got it wet and went about my day.
Got it wet. Okay. And how do you feel about your curls today?
They're a lot better.
Yeah.
They're much better.
I bet you get a lot of compliments.
Indeed. I do.
One of my many curly stories is in high school, I am confessing that I used to wake up 2.5 hours before school started and get in the shower, shampoo, condition, blow dry my hair straight, curl it with a curling iron, and then put clips in it to make it not poof out on top so it wouldn't stay nice and flat. Now I can't get enough volume. Yeah, good times. I would have loved to have twist back then, but I think this is why I became obsessed with curly hair, and that is why I've created twist and why we exist today.